Hey, it's me, Miss D.
And me, Lucy.
And today, guys, we're going to talk about something called pop art. So when you hear the word pop art, Lucy, what do you think pop art is?
I think it is like when you actually pop to make art.
Yeah, it has that pop sound, doesn't it? But actually, the word pop stands for popular. Do you know what popular means?
It means a lot of people know about it.
Yeah, popular means a lot of people know about it, and pop art specifically has to do with things that are well known in your culture. So your culture means where you live and the foods that you eat and the language that you speak and your celebrations. So a really famous pop artist is named Andy Warhol, and I want to show you a picture of Andy Warhol's that he did. Who is that?
Mickey Mouse!
Yeah, would you say Mickey Mouse is pretty popular?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Andy Warhol liked to show pictures of things that a lot of people know about, like famous movie stars or cartoon characters or people from TV, but he would also think about advertising. He did a picture of Campbell's soup cans, and he did pictures of food. So for our pop art, we wanted to think about something that is popular in our culture. And what did you decide to do?
Ice cream!
Ice cream, ice cream cones. That's something very popular in our culture. And I wanted us to kind of copy the style that Andy Warhol used, where he would make different squares of different colors. Then he actually used a process called printmaking, but we're doing a collage. We're cutting paper and gluing it to make our picture.
We did different colors.
But we did the same 4 colors, right? I asked Lucy to choose 4 different colors of paper, and she chose purple, pink, black, and white. I liked the black and white being there because it adds contrast. Then she drew a picture of an ice cream cone. She cut out the ice cream and the cone part and traced it on all 4 sheets of paper. Then she glued squares of color, and you glued it onto the black sheet. And then she glued the different cones and the different ice cream so that she had different colors together. And then we added some lines to show like the design that's on a cone and sprinkles on the ice cream. And that's how we made our pop art. All right, guys, so I'm gonna post the how to do this as well. So I hope you guys have fun and have a great summer.